Over 12,000 shipments are processed through the transportation logistics company where Lester works. Each shipment generates order forms, dispatch papers, bills of lading, proof of delivery, and reports. Lester must create a U.S. Department of Transportation compliant invoice for archiving. For each order, Lester spends hours manually entering relevant information from the shipment paperwork into the company's accounting software. Then, he physically delivers this document to the billing department for proof of delivery. Finally, the billing department spends 2 hours daily filing this paperwork. Ricoh simplifies this process by using intelligent indexing to automate data entry. A quick scan of the paper document picks up specific information to seamlessly categorize data and securely file the document. In an instant, the data is sent to the accounting system and generates a document that includes a barcode containing the data needed to move it forward in process. The invoice is electronically sent to the customer, with a virtual copy safely filed away. Lester can now deliver and retrieve files with just a few presses of a button. Every step of the processing workflow is digitized, secured, and traceable, ending bottlenecks. Eliminating manual filing with Ricoh's solution has cut out more than 40 hours of unnecessary work each month.